We back. I want to give y'all a hug. I haven't made a video in so long, and I'm so sorry. It has been so much going on, and I just appreciate everybody who has been subscribing and still, you know, here with the girl, even though I haven't even been consistent. Like, it's trifling, y'all. I know it's just trifling, but it's okay, because like I said, we gonna always get it together. Like, we gonna have it together all the time, okay? Yeah. Anyway, what's going on? You know, I just, I started, I did a big chop or whatever. I went ahead, I did a big chop, y'all. I chopped all my hair off, and it has grown back amazing. Like, let me show y'all how many inches I got. It even stretched. Yeah, right out the scalp. Say nah, just kidding. This is not my scalp, y'all. This is not my hair. And I feel like y'all already knew that. This is actually a wig. It is a HD wig that y'all gotta excuse me. It's hot in here. Where I'm at is hot, so the junk keeps sweating a little bit. Keeps sweating. So if it slides back, I'm so sorry. It's really hot where I'm at. So moving on. So this wig is actually a HD wig from a company called Ilikehair.com. They sent me their Kinky curly, and let me tell y'all, this has been the most beautiful wig I have ever worn, and I mean that from the bottom of my heart. Like, I know I say that a lot because wigs be impressing me, because I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, these companies, they don't play. Like, they really be sending me the good wigs. They be sending the good wigs to the girl, and I put them out and I let y'all know, this company, go ahead and buy. But this one is different. This one, it hits home. 1, because it's curly. 2, because it looks like my scalp. Like, and 3, I didn't really have to even do a whole bunch to make it look good. Like, it came, oh my god, it came literally with edges already on. Like, excuse me? And the knots ain't even look that bad. Like, a lot of people, I got so many compliments on this hair, it didn't make no sense. A lot of people actually thought that this hair was my hair. So that's how you know it's really good quality for the price. So let me just go ahead and get into the specs of the hair and tell y'all the details of the hair so y'all can know what's the real tea on this unit. But yeah, y'all, so as you can see, this wig is nice and HD. You can't see any knots or anything. Now, I did bleach the knots. Oh, I forgot. There we go. Okay. I did go ahead and bleach the knots because they didn't come pre-bleached, but yeah. So I have my phone here ready to basically, tell y'all the tea or whatever. So let's go ahead. So this is their Realisitc Kinky Edges 7x5 lace closure wig, and it's only 18 inches. But the 18 inches, for it to be 18 inches, is pretty long. Like, it comes down, as you guys could see, around like the bra strap area. And I'm about 5'3", 5'4", so it's pretty lengthy. It's a pretty lengthy wig. Now, when I did get it, it was all one length. It didn't have any layering to it, because sometimes you get a wig and it says it's 20 inches, and then you comb through it and you realize, oh, it's layered. It comes layered. So this one did not come layered at all. It came straight 18 inches, so you are able to customize it the way that you want, or cut it to your own liking, or whatever the case. So yeah, please excuse me, y'all, it's kind of hot in here, so the wig, it's a little hot. So, and I also have a coupon code. So if you love me and you want to support your girl, go ahead and use that coupon code, because even if you don't love me, you want to support, and you don't want to support me, girl, you get 25% off. So excuse me, go ahead and get you 25% off your order or whatever. Yeah. So this is what the website looks like. It's a really cute website, y'all. Like, it's so cute. Like, I love it. It's easy to navigate or whatever, so you can find whatever products you want. You can find any products you want, any products that they offer. easy to find. Boom, has the little list here. It's perfect. So yeah, so you scroll down, and as you can see, it is $265. So 25% off of $265. That's probably gonna be like maybe like what, $20-$30 off, just about. So hold on, let me do the math before I lie. Oh, so 25% off is actually $60 off. So you're gonna get $60 off of this wig if you use my coupon code. And my coupon code that you can use is ASH25. ASH25. Okay. I've worn this wig for a month, and I am so happy that the company has been so patient with me. Thank you guys so much for being so patient with me, because honestly, so much has been going on. I have not been able to get this content out, like even with like getting equipment, just Wi-Fi, you know, crazy, like everything just been crazy, but we got it together. Company, you can get free shipping for 2 to 4 days. So you can get free shipping. The product will come to you within 2 to 4 days, free shipping, 15-day exchanges and returns. So if you don't like your wig, honey bunny, you can just go ahead and return it. It's 100% virgin hair. The density is 180% density, and it's definitely 180 because it's super full. This is what it looks like, and it's kind of wet too. So this is what it looks like fully pulled to the front. Like, it's full as hell. So you get your coin worth. You get 7 by 5 inches of lace. So I believe it's 7 this way and then 5 this way, or either 7 this way and then 5 this way. I'm not really sure. Don't quote me, but you get a good amount of lace. You get so much lace that you can wear this half up, half down. You can do whatever you want to do with it. Now, this lace is HD, and I'm gonna be honest with y'all. This lace caught me by surprise. I'm a little heavy-handed sometimes, and I got a bun. I usually wear buns under my wigs or like a big braid down. Girl, I pulled it forward, and this part is completely ripped. Let me show y'all. So yeah, you can also wear this hair for more than 1 year. It's adjustable, and it's about, the circumference of it comes about 22.5 inches. So it's about your standard size, which is probably why I ripped it. No accident. But yeah. So if y'all want to see how I installed this wig and my thoughts on this wig, then go ahead and keep watching, because I'm gonna show y'all the process, you know, everything, how everything looked or whatever. So yeah, now the footage will be a little different from this one. Like I said, I had some troubles filming this video, so bear with me. But yeah y'all, the wig is definitely worth it. It's definitely 10 out of 10 for me, and it's definitely worth your coin. So I like hair wig. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video, and make sure you guys check the description box down below for all of the details you need to know about the wig. It will be linked down below if you want to go check the link, and if you want to check out their website in general, that will also be down below, as well as my coupon code. So make sure you go ahead and use that, and make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button, and you know, so you can keep coming back and getting this heat from your girls, because yeah, I'm gonna continue to give y'all all the good content and stuff and things of that sort. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Hey y'all, so this is the bag that the hair came in. Inside of the bag, you get a card that has their website, and they also have their Instagram and everything. And then you also get a little baggie that comes with some supplies that you need when doing your melt down for your wig. It comes with a wig cap to, you know, move that hair out the way. It comes with an edge brush to slip the edges down, and even a stylish little wig clip or whatever, a wig cap, and a rat tail comb. And who doesn't need extra combs, because that always comes in handy. So when you get your hair, it comes in a net, of course, to protect the hair from shedding and any other outside elements that may, you know, affect the hair on its way to you. And let's just take a moment to appreciate this lace. Like, as you guys can see, you can see straight through the lace. It is amazing quality. It is HD, and I believe it is 4x4, but don't quote me. I will leave it down in the description box below, just so you guys can know, like, you know, how the length of the lace. But as you can see, this lace is super thin. It is amazing quality, y'all, but the only thing about this amazing quality lace, you have to be extremely fragile, because it's very fragile itself. Like, putting it on, I actually ripped it, but it still worked because of how natural it looks. Like, do you see? Like, you can literally see the knots. Like, it's amazing. Now, when you get your wig, it comes with 3 combs. It comes with 4 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the middle, and then 1 in the back. So this wig ain't gonna go nowhere if you don't want it to go nowhere. It's very perfect for, you know, half up, half down, all types of styles. And then the elastic band is amazing. The elastic band was sewed on perfectly, so you can actually wear this as a glueless wig, and it's perfect for anybody who has a big braid down, or even, you know, any, like a ponytail or something. Like, that's what I do. Now, here are the knots, y'all. The knots are pretty dark. So this is before I bleached them, and then this is after I bleached them. I had to leave the bleach on for a little while just because of how dark the knots were, and I ended up getting the hair bleached, and as you can see, it's giving scalp, but, you know, because that bleach, you know, took so well, you know, it's giving a little bit too much of scalp, but that's okay, because all you need is a little spray, and then, you know, you can fix your part, and boom. So this is what the hair looks like once it is wet. I went ahead and wet it and added some Nairobi foam to it. That way the curls could have that nice water wave look to them. And I went ahead and just, you know, grabbed those supplies that they gave me, and I started applying my wig. I'm using my Got to Be Glue spray and allowing it to get tacky for that good meltdown. As you guys can see, this wig is giving scalp already. Like, it is amazing. When I tell you this wig is high quality, honey, like, it's worth the coin. And all I did was add a little bit of free spray. So now what we're gonna do, we're just gonna make sure that those edges are nice and laid down. Now, like I said, y'all, I ended up ripping it on accident. Like, I did not expect it. Like, I had a ponytail underneath here, and I did not expect it to catch on the way it did. So I just went ahead and finished it off camera, but here is how it looks. This is just with the freeze spray. I'm going to add some more freeze spray to the edge. That way, you know, it can have a more seamless effect. And I'm using my Got to Be Glued with the 24-hour one. I like to use this on my edge line just because it's more gentle, more soft, instead of using the harsh yellow one. But yeah, y'all, I did not expect that jump to rip, but I mean, this is how it turned out. Like, it's pretty good. Like, you can't even tell. And look at that. Like, do you see that? Where is the lace? You can't see the lace. There is no lace. What lace? This is my hair. It's coming out of my scalp. Excuse me? Don't ask me where I got this from. It's coming out of my scalp. I was born with it. Like, excuse me. Like, come on, y'all. Like, what is it giving? Yeah. That's all I got for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.